Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest pins from your favorite creators on Pinterest, enabling push alerts is the perfect way to never miss a new idea or inspiration. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the updated process for turning on push notifications for new pins from creators you follow. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your personalized settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top of the screen and tap it again. This will open up your profile's main settings and options. Next, find and tap on the notifications section. This is where you control all the alerts and updates Pinterest sends to your device. In the notifications menu, scroll until you see the section labeled Activity from Creators. Here, you'll find the option for new pins from creators you follow. Tap on this option to access the notification preferences specifically for new pins. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Push. Simply switch this toggle on. This enables push notifications, so every time a creator you follow shares a new pin, you'll get an instant alert right on your device. That's it. You've now enabled push alerts for new pins from creators you follow. This simple update ensures you're always in the loop and can engage with fresh content the moment it's posted. If you ever want to adjust your notifications, just repeat these steps and toggle the push option on or off as you prefer. Keeping your alerts personalized means you'll only get updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Stay inspired and happy pinning!